Hi everyone, welcome to the fourth section of this video. We're going to look at how to change permission in Linux using the symbolic mode. In the previous video, we've looked at how to change permission in Linux using the absolute mode. Alright, so permission in Linux can be changed using symbols, and if you see the symbol U plus R, so U plus R means you're giving a user, which is the owner of the file, a read permission. All right. So if you use U minus R, which means that you're removing the read permission from the user. All right. So if you use the U plus W, it means that you're giving the user a write permission. If you use the U minus W, it means you're removing the write permission from the user. The same thing as the execute permission. The plus sign means you're giving the permission to a user. If it is you, of course, then the minus sign means that you're revoking the permission from the user. And don't forget that in the first video, we mentioned the acronym UGO, U which stands for user, G which stands for group, and O which stands for others. So for the group also, if you're using the plus sign and you're using the R, it means that you're giving the group a read permission. And if you're using the minus sign, it means you're revoking the read permission from the group. All right. So the same thing is applicable to others as well. So let's look at example of how to do this. So for example, let's look at the file Amazing Love. All right, so you can see that the file for the user, we have the read, write, and execute permission. For the group, we only have the read, write permission, and for others, we have nothing. So, for example, to give the user, group, and others full permission, that is to give the read, write, and execute permission. All right, so using the symbolic mode, we use the command chmod, then u, which means user. All right, just as we've said, plus read. Okay, so I can do plus read, then the name of the file, you understand, or I can just do this all at once: read, write, execute, and I can use the comma sign. All right, and say group. Also, I also want to give the group read, write, and execute, and I can also do comma and o, which means others, plus read, write, execute, and the name of the file, which is Amazing Love. All right, so if I list the attributes of the file, you can see that the permission has changed, and we have the full permission for user, group, and others. Don't forget, I can say U minus R Amazing Love or U minus W Amazing Love, but I've just decided to use all at once here. Okay, so let's see another example. To give the user read, write, and execute permission, and to give the group read and write permission only, and to give others nothing. So we use the command chmod. All right. So the user, we're giving the user read, write, and execute permission only. All right. And we're giving the group the read and write permission only, and we're giving others. All right, we're revoking others. We're giving others nothing, so that means we're revoking the permission, read, write, and execute, and the name of the file, which is Amazing Love. So let's see again. So you can see that the user and the group all have read, write, and execute permission, while others have nothing. All right. So using the symbolic mode can be relative. Always check the file permission before changing the permission. All right. So some files you need to use the minus, which is the negative sign, while some files you need to use the plus sign. All right. So this is how you change file permission using the symbolic mode. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.